Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Kecia Holden, and today I'm really excited because I finally get to do an entire face of NYX cosmetics. You know how much I love NYX. I use it pretty much in every video because I use it for my brows. You know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment down below so my channel will grow, and let's get started. So like I said, this is gonna be all NYX products. So of course, I'm gonna start with my brows, and I'm gonna use my NYX Proof It Waterproof Brow Primer. Even if I'm in a rainstorm, my brows shall remain. Once you have it on, let it dry down and then brush the product in to your brows. And once that's all brushed in, go ahead with your Microbrow pencil. This one is in the color Espresso. I use this. I also use chocolate, which has a little bit more red to it, depends on the color of my hair. And so, a quick brow tutorial. You start with your pencil about here, and this is where the front of your brow should be. You take that and pivot a little bit. That's where your arch should be. And then pivot again. That's where the end of your brow should be. You want to get very technical. You go straight across this way. This is where your brow begins. And that just makes everything nice and even. And then you do the same thing on the top. Nothing should go past this line here. See that? Nice and simple, really easy. Your brows shouldn't be too dark. They shouldn't be too thick. You literally can use the exact tools that you're gonna use to fill in your brows, and that will give you the direction of your brows and where your brows begin, end, the height, everything. And then filling in your brows should be as easy as 1, 2, 3 as well. All you want to do, even if you don't have brows like me, all you need to do, tiny strokes, like hair-like strokes. Go in the direction of your hair. You got some going straight across, make sure they go straight across. Some diagonal, you just want it to look like hair. Because all you're doing is filling it in. So you're just filling in where you don't have hair. And there you have it, nice brow. And I'm leaving it a little bit more open. Usually I close it right down with a nice point, but I'm leaving it open for now because the look that I'm gonna do is very playful. So I wanna keep the brow as open as possible. And don't forget, your brows are not twins, they are sisters. So they don't need to be exactly the same. That's actually really creepy, but they should look like they belong in the same family, if that makes sense. And then last tip, your brows should not form a box here. They should look more natural. So that's why I spend so much time brushing that product in this part of my brow, because I don't want it to look like a box, because then that makes it look less natural. And I'm already filling in more than the normal person. My next product is gonna be the Jumbo Eye Pencil. This one is in Milk, very white. So I'm gonna use this as my primer, and that's gonna go all over my lid. Don't worry about blending it yet. Right now we're just placing the color. My rule of thumb is wherever you're putting shadow, put your primer as well. So I'm gonna put this primer down here because I'm gonna be putting shadow down here. And I didn't go into my waterline, I just went into my lash line. That's it. And then I'm gonna take my concealer brush and I'm gonna blend that out. So today I'm using my Ultimates palette, and these are all bright, beautiful, fresh colors. I wanna go into this coral color here first, and I'm gonna take that with my fluffy brush, and that's just gonna go on the inner part of my crease. So just right in here. So from there, I'm gonna take this mustard color, and that's gonna go in the rest of my crease. I'm gonna meet that coral and then come on down to the end. Next, I'm going to do the inner part of my eye with this color, followed by this one in the middle, and then this one at the end. So it's gonna be the light teal, dark green. So I'm gonna go back with my fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend all those edges out. So next, I'm gonna use this hot pink color and then transition to this lighter purple and then to the darker purple on the outer part of my lid, or the outer part of my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go hot pink, light purple, dark purple. So I'm going to use this purple jumbo eye pencil from NYX, of course, because the whole video is NYX. But I'm gonna put that in my waterline. Really love this little lime green color right here. So I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. It has a little shimmer to it as well. So I'm gonna use that as my inner corner. I like it a lot. All right, let's go on to liquid eyeliner. This is the matte liquid eyeliner. Don't be afraid of liquid eyeliner because it can sense fear. So be very gentle, be nice to me, speak to it, be so nice to me. This is where I want my wing to end. And then go right here to the front, slowly and gently, gently and slowly. And I'm not worried about filling it in right now. I'm just worried about catching the tail end of this liner. That's where I want it to end. So now I'm gonna go in and fill that in and just make sure it's nice. But what I'm not gonna do, I'm not gonna hold it out here and then fill in the wing. I'm gonna fill in the wing with my eye relaxed just like this. And then if I have to neaten up this line that's on my lid, I'll pull my eye. Other than that, no pulling of the eye, because once it goes back into place, it's not gonna look the same. Like, it'll look pretty amazing from here, and then you pull it back, it's not gonna look the same. This orange color down here, and that's gonna just correct underneath the eye and hopefully give me more brightness, so that way my eye will stick out just a little bit more. And I'm being extra gentle because this is like putty on my skin right now. I'm gonna cocktail my primer. I'm gonna go in with my hydrotouch primer and my Studio Perfect primer. I'm gonna mix these two together. I love Gollywood and Nollywood movies. I actually watched a show the other day. I was binge watching it from last week until I think yesterday. And it was called The Sons of the Caliphate. And they had 2 seasons. I'm waiting for season 3 to drop and I hope it drops. But oh my God, that show was so good. It was like so overly dramatic for no reason. The sound quality was terrible at points, but at the end of it, it was still like a really good story. And I don't want to give the story away, but if you have Netflix, go to Netflix and look up Sons of the Caliphate. It's Caliphatee. It's so good, but like some of the production value is trash. But it was still really good. So I'm gonna go in with my Born to Glow foundation. I have the color Cocoa. I'm using this because I want a dewy glow, a nice finish to my skin. It is summertime, so I don't want anything heavy all the time. So I'm gonna go under my eyes with my concealer, and I'm gonna go right in this color here that's pretty much almost gone. So I'm just gonna go under and put my concealer under here. And with my powder brush, I'm gonna go into the Banana HD finishing powder. That's gonna go right under the eye. Not too much though, because if I'm taking pictures, which I'm not, I'm hanging out and chilling. But if you're gonna use it and take pictures, just be careful of flashback. So I'm gonna go in and just press that in with my brush. Just going in this central area here, just to lighten up the center of my face, because this part is perfect. It's just the center that was a little too dark because I'm not summer skin yet, but it just made everything come together and it works. All right, let's do mascara. This is On the Rise, and it's a volumizing mascara. It also defines as well, so it separates your lashes. My only concern, and it's just because of my personal preference, these, the plastic on it, I don't like that because I always stab myself in the eye with it. But, you know, I'm gonna make it work. And I lost a little bit of my lime green, so I'm just gonna go back into this color and put it back into my inner corner. For blush, I'm gonna go into this one here. It's the Sweet Cheeks Glow, and this color is called Citrine Rose. So I'm gonna do some lashes, and then I'll come back, we'll do lips and finish the rest of the video. So we're back, let's do some lips. I'm gonna go in with the lip pencil, and it's called Natural. So it's a really neutral, natural color. And then next I'm going to go in with the Soft Matte Lip Cream. This one is in Cons. And once that dries down a bit, I'm adding my Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with my Bare With Me Prime Set Refresh Spray. And yeah, we're gonna end with that. It smells really nice and clean, like clean laundry. Not like downy clean, but like just clean. I like it. And that's it, that's your look. It's not a typical look that I would do all the time, but I felt like playing because I have a little bit of time today. Well, for now, that time has already run out. But anyways, thanks so much for joining me. I love NYX, and yeah, so that's it. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you'll know that I posted new content. Like this video, comment down below so my channel will grow, and get the book. I'm the author of Beauty Basics 101, The Beginner's Guide to Skincare and Makeup, and I'd love to be your beauty advisor. So go ahead and create a profile on beautytap.com. Follow me, and once we're connected, I'll be able to give you recommendations to get you into the best skincare of your life. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.